if you are writing your first book, if you are writing any book, you have the premise in your head or you've drafted it and now you're just about to edit, do not wait, run, okay? Run and write your back cover blurb. This might sound a little counterintuitive because your book is not finished or even started to be written yet. However, the back cover blurb, or those 2 or 3 paragraphs that are on the inside flap of hardcovers or on the back cover of paperbacks, those paragraphs are invaluable to you as a writer. It has 3 components, okay? Now, really take this down, save this video to really make sure you keep this, but it's got 3 components. Your book, and therefore your back cover copy, needs to have, number 1, a hook, but it has to be a very clear hook. It doesn't have to be some vague thing. It cannot be vague. It has to basically highlight what is original about your story. And it does that in 1 sentence. You have 1 sentence to really elucidate what is unique about your story, about your main character, and to pull that reader in. The second thing your back cover copy needs to have is a